The question's pretty easy, but it makes sense for me to share it with you because someone asked the question. If I send an email message from my Gmail account to someone else on another Gmail account, will both parties be notified of each other's email? Or is it just for viewing? I don't get it, but you know what? I realize I don't get it. Let me answer the question. I'm going to send an email to Teddy Burris. Let me go send a message to Teddy at Burris Consulting and say hello. Let me put a message in here and make sure I spell hello properly. I'm going to hit send. Now, only thing I know is the message is being sent and hasn't been sent because I have a 10-second delay on this account. So it takes 10 seconds for the message to go away. And then once it gets sent, the undo goes away and I can view the message. But let me go look at Teddy and see what he got on his web interface as well as mobile app. I'm going to go to his account. Now I'm logged in on Teddy's computer. I'm on his web browser. You can see I'm at tlburris at teddyburris.com. And all the way to the left here, you can see there's a 1 up top on the inbox. So that's the first notification that I got a message. Secondly, if I'm using the mobile app on the cell phone, I can see that there's a message there in the mobile app. I'll do a screenshot and show you the screenshot. Now, if I go to Gmail, look here. In Gmail for tlburris at teddyburris.com, there's another notification right there, and that very clearly is a notification right there. It's an unread message from BCI testing. So those are just some of the ways I get notified. Now let me show you what happens when I send a message back. If I hit reply and go, I'm gonna put some content in here, and I'm gonna hit send. Let me put something on top. I got the message. Hit send. Now there's very little delay on this account. It goes out pretty quickly, and there it goes. Now let's go back to his account. Hang on a second. Go to Profiles, Google Testing. Now there it is right there. And now, interestingly, in this account, I don't have it set up to have what's called the icon notification. But if I hover over it, you can see that it says I have one message. If I go over here, let's see what happens. If I go over here. So yeah, there's no notification there, but again, if I hover over it, it tells me the one. There's the one there, and there's a new message. And again, if I go to the mobile app for that account, and the mobile app also shows one new message. So I don't get notified when you get mail. You don't get notified when I get mail. But I get notified in different ways when I receive a message, whether it's Gmail to Gmail or any other account to me. Hey, I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this answers the question and is useful to you.